Hello, driving intelligence community. My 238,000 mile truck with 20 years on the clock is not putting out the kind of airflow that I'd like to have coming out of the vents, and I'm thinking that because it's that age and because it was previously owned by a smoker, it probably has some buildup in there. I've already cleaned out some of these ducts when I pulled some of the dash panels out, but what I'm going to do is get underneath here, pull that motor, and see if that motor is contaminated with a bunch of material, debris, clean it off, and reinstall it. So let's get started. This maintenance activity can be done on just about any vehicle, especially those that don't have cabin air filters, and this one does not have a cabin air filter. So under the dash in the far right corner is the fan assembly, and I'm going to disconnect those electrical connectors, and there are 4 screws holding that in. After some excruciating stretching and manipulation, I got it out. And it is full of junk. If I can get it out of here and show you. There's little debris in there. Not too bad. But we'll go ahead and clean it out. You can see how mucked up this fan is from years of use, and there's probably a lot of nicotine in that. I want to take the fan blade off, but I can't because of this, and I could take this off, but then I don't have a replacement fastener to hold it back on. A lot cleaner. I used some soapy water and some small brushes to get all these fins cleaned up. And now I need to get up inside that duct to get as much dirt out of there as possible. Incidentally, you can see in this section right here, there are slots for you to cut out, for you to put a cabin air filter in here. I'm going to do that as a future project, but I'm going to probably go to the junkyard to do this. I'm going to maybe get this piece out of the junkyard or try cutting it in the junkyard just to make sure I don't make any mistakes on this truck. But that'll be a future project.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do.
As a heads up to a future project, I'm planning on changing my current F-150 wheels to the snowflake design from the Ford F-150 and Expedition. As my dad said, the current wheels make my F-150 look like a Tonka truck. The new wheels are 20 by 8.5 and will work with my current bore adapters. Let me know in the comments if you think the new wheel will look better on my F-150, and stay tuned for this future video. Fans reinstalled and everything's reconnected. Those 2 screws in the back are difficult. You're going to need a universal joint and some special flexibility to get back there. Now that I've got the clean fan installed, I want to test and see how it blows. Definitely working, and it's actually much quieter. Before I could hear the fan blowing, but now I can't, and it seems like there's a little more airflow. Maybe it's my imagination, but it's definitely quieter. I don't hear that fan like I heard it before. So anyway, hope you liked this video. Hope it helps you take care of your HVAC system, and I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.